Hello guys, haven't seen you for a long time. I was a little busy, but now I came and let's talk about the news, some new tools, and some my projects I am now working on. Here are my Aussie Opera 2 tires. I was able to disassembling them, two of them which are wider 10Js. They are installed on rear and here you can see the titanium bolts I removed from the wheels. I polished them and I worked on them with autosol polish, metal polish stuff. I also used some wet sanding on them, and as you know, they look very good. They shine, and here you can see all the markings and the titanium bolts itself. Here are all the bolts I removed from four of the wheels, and my project continues, and very soon I will show you my final result about the rims. Let's go on and talk about some new tools I have now got. This is inspection mirror. This is made by Blue Point. Here you can see made in the USA. Uh, this is new NOS as they call it, new old stock. This mirror is good because it is widely adjustable and you can see very important places to determine some oil leaks and other stuffs on your engine bay and other car components. To be honest, I don't know what is the diameter of the round mirror itself, but I can say that it is enough to do some inspections. This is mirror itself. It extends and it is about 35 or 40 centimeters when you extend it. Now I will extend it and show you what about I am talking. Here we can see. Here it is. This is the maximum length of the mirror itself, and for me it is enough to work on my cars, both on my cars with MK4 GTI and with my W210 Mercedes E430. The handle is made by from the rubber and very good stuff I can recommend to everyone. I bought it about $12 from the USA, and as I already mentioned, it is uh, new. Here you can see the details how it is made. This is my car. And another stuff I have got from Germany. This is T-bar, T-sliding bar, half inch in size for sockets. It is about 35 centimeters long, and this is made by Dowidat. This is an old German tool manufacturer which now is called Gedor. Here you can see the markings made in Germany and all stuff for it. Here is how it slides. It was listed as used by, but trust me that it is brand new, no markings and no scuffles or scratches or other bad stuff. This is brand new, and I only pay about €7 for it. So very happy. I had no this T-bar in my tool collection, and now I have it. Let's put some Aussie split rim bolt special socket on it, which is half inch too. I was able to remove only with this socket the rim bolts. This socket is made by Laser Tools, and now I will show you how it looks. It's very difficult to do it with left hand, but I will try it for you. And here you can see the perfection of the tool. Here you can see how it looks, and you can uh, use it uh, if you have some heavy duty jobs and you cannot use a ratchet for it. So guys, this is my short video. Now I am, as I already said, little busy. Hope will come soon with you with new tools and new videos about my cars. And the first aim for me is to do my wheels, and I will show you everything about it. So stay tuned, please subscribe, and thank you for watching. Goodbye.